children. How are you? Fine. Very good. Children, this is class 3, subject EVS. Class 3, EVS. Lesson number 1, living and non-living things. Page number 172. Please open, get ready your book and copies. Children, in previous class, we have discussed, and in video 1 and video 2 also, we have discussed about the living things and non-living things. What are living things and what are non-living things? And what are the similarities of the both living and non-living things? Means, what are the common features of the living and non-living things? See, I will say again. What are the common features of both the living and non-living things? Living things which have life, non-living things which have not life. Means those who are lifeless. Example: table, chair, chalk, this board, pen, light, everything. Okay. But plants, human beings, and animals, though they have life, so they are living things. So, what are the common features of both the living and non-living things? The common features of both the living and non-living things are: they have shape, they have size, they have weight, they are made up of matter, and they occupy space. These are the 5 common features of the living and non-living things. In last class, we have discussed about the characteristics of the living things. Characteristics of the living things. So, the characteristics of the living things are: number 1, they need food, water, and air to live. They give birth to young ones in a passage of time. Okay, they grow in a passage of time. They increase their number. They give birth to young ones. Some animals are giving the egg. Some animals and human beings are giving birth to the babies. So they are increasing their number in a passage of time. Okay? And they need food, water, and air to live. Number 1. Number 2, they give birth to young one and they increase their numbers. Second. Next, number 3, they feel. They feel and they die also. They grow, they feel, they die also. Understood, children? So many characteristics are there. Okay. Even when the human beings or when the animals, okay, when the living things will die, that time everything, the body parts and each system of the body of the particular things, living things, has shattered. Means everything will stop. The system of the body parts and every functions of the body parts will stop. Okay. So children, now we have discussed about the characteristics also and the common features also. Let's know about the difference between living and non-living things, which we have discussed in last class only. Living things grow. Living things can move, but non-living things cannot grow. They do not move. Living things feel, non-living things do not. Living things can go one place to another place, but non-living things do not. Okay, living things can feel, but non-living things do not. Okay, living things can move, but non-living things cannot move. Living things grow, non-living things do not. What are they? 100 times we are saying living things grow, living things move, living things feel, living things die, but non-living things nothing, because they are lifeless. So these are the difference between the living things and non-living things. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not. Living things gives birth to young one, but non-living things do not. Living things need food, water, and air to live, but non-living things do not. They do not need that. Okay, so these are the difference. Now see children, come to exercise. I will say one thing, that you open your notebook, write lesson number 1 heading put the date clearly. After that you write the index. In first class I have written the index, introduction part, okay, common features, characteristics and difference between living and non-living things. That you have to mention in the first page, okay, the points. Afterwards, what I have given the homework, mention homework, the common features of the living things, okay, first you have to write the answer. And next children, what I have given the homework that you mention. Afterward, exercise. Exercise first we will let's discuss. Write the common features of living things. Already I taught the common features of living things are they occupy space, they are made up of matter, okay, they have size, they have shape and they have weight. This 5 things point wise you write neat and clean. Okay. Number 2. What are non-living things? Living things. Those who have no life, that are called living things. Example, table, chair, etc. You can write. Write any 2 differences between living and non-living things. I told 2 differences between living and non-living things. Living things can move, but non-living things do not. Living things can grow, but non-living things do not grow. That only 2 points of difference. List any 3 similarities between animals, plants, and human beings. What are the 3 similarities between these living things, animals, plants and human beings? These 3 are living things only. But what are the similarities they 3 have? Okay, they grow, plants also grow, plants, human beings, animals. The 3 can grow. So you can write point number 1. The plants, animals and humans, the 3 can grow. The 3 can feel. Okay. Animals and plants and human beings can feel, okay, and animals, plants, human beings die, okay. These 3 are the similarities. Next, what is photosynthesis? Already I have told beta in last class what is photosynthesis. That plants need water and sunlight to make their own food, So by which process plants make their own food, okay, with the help of sunlight, water and air. This process is called photosynthesis. So you have to write that clearly. The process by which plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, air and water is called photosynthesis. Okay children? Now let's go to number 2. Give 2 examples of each of the animals that lay eggs. Those who are laying eggs, that particular 2 names you have to mention here, and give birth to babies. Those who are giving birth to direct baby, oh, that 2 names also you have to write here. That you have to find out, go through the book, read properly, and you have to find out and write here. Okay. So these are the questions. Write the question properly. Next answer. Okay. Next, mark true and false also you have to write here. First question, all living things need food to grow. Plants are the only living things that do not move. Chair grows to become a bird. All living things move by themselves. These are the questions you have to find out the answer. Now activity part. List 3 things required by green plants to make their own food. 3 things which is required by green plants to make their own food. I told already photosynthesis. What they need to make their own food in the process of photosynthesis. What the plants need? Air, water and sunlight. That much. So these 3 you have to write here. Now more one homework. List 2 differences between human beings and plants. What are the 2 differences? Okay, in that question, what are the 3 similarities between the human beings, plants and animals? We have read and written also. But now between the human being and plants, what are the differences are there? These 2 differences you have to write here. Okay, find out the answer and write. Now next class we will discuss more about